Hey everyone, Dan the Man 92 here, back again with another video for you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my top 5 favorite Harbor Freight Tools items. So let's get started. So the first item I have here is the Warrior Security Bit Set. Now this one, I haven't used this one yet, but I have one at work that I've used for a while, and I absolutely love it. I've used, I think it's this one once or twice at work. I've used the T25 quite a few times, and obviously the Phillips and slotted screwdriver ones. So I like this kit. This kit's pretty cheap, I think. I think it's, I want to say it's like $10 or so. I'll definitely put a link in the description for what the actual cost is. But this is a very great kit. Have pretty much every single bit that you could possibly need in this. So this is definitely on my top 5 favorite items from Harbor Freight. Item number 2, we have the Central Forge 5-inch swivel base bench vise. Really like this. I've had this one for a few years, I believe. So with this one, I use to like hold wood while I'm cutting it, hold some metal down. Hasn't failed. Really like this a lot. This one wasn't too bad either. I think this might have been like less than 50 bucks, but really like this. The quality is pretty good. Cast iron. Very pleased with this. Again, I will put in the description a link to this one and the price that I paid for it. So let's move on to the next one. Up next, we have this Bauer corded angle grinder. Really like this. I've used this a few times. I think I got it maybe 2 or 3 months ago. Not 100% sure, but fairly new. Haven't used it a whole lot, but when I have used it, hasn't failed. One thing, a lot of people don't really like the Harbor Freight corded tools. Some of them have had electrical issues, but this one right here, have not had any issues with this one. I've used a Milwaukee cordless angle grinder at work a few times, and compared that to this one here, and they both seem about the same. So for a fraction of the cost too. Like, I think the cordless angle grinder goes for like I want to say 150 plus maybe. I'm not 100% sure, but this one just a fraction of that. I think this might be like 20, 30 bucks, 50 bucks tops. Put that in the description, but awesome tool. Glad I have it. Up next, we have a Central Machinery 5-speed bench drill press. Bought this maybe 2 years ago, I believe. 2-3 years ago, I think. Love this thing. Used this quite a few times when I've been doing various woodworking projects. I think I've used this a couple times drilling into metal too, but mainly wood. Like that it has this flexible light that you can just put anywhere you really want it to go, and it just stays there. Again, 5 speeds. This adjustable base, can swivel it around too. I usually have a vise mounted to this too, just to hold smaller pieces into place. But right now I don't have it on there because I do not have a permanent place for this right now. So when I build another workbench, workbench is probably gonna go right there. Just a smaller one so I can have my drill press on there and a couple other stationary items. But very pleased with this. I think this one might have been 50 bucks or so. Not 100% sure, but I once again put it in the description. So definitely recommend the Central Machinery 5-speed bench drill press. Let's move on to the last one. So the last item I have for you guys is the 4-drawer tool cart. This is the OG one that I've had for many years. You've seen a lot of videos with this tool cart in this. Love this. Lots of spots right there for screwdrivers, small pry bars, breaker bars. Again on this side too. Plenty of drawers. I just love this thing. Fits all my pliers in it. This drawer is like my project drawer. But yeah, love this thing. This thing probably cost me, I think they had it on sale for $99 when I got it. But very, very happy with this. Have had no issues with this whatsoever. It's moved around quite a few times. It's been at the other house I was living at, moved it over here. It's been inside the house. My wife was using it to store makeup in, and then we got her something, so gave it back to me. These things never failed. Used to hold all of my tools in it, and now I have the US General 5-drawer tool cart, which this thing, even more space, but we're onto this one right here. This thing's just perfect. Best bang for your buck for tool carts. Rather spend $100 on this, even when it's not on sale. I think it's like $120 or so. Yeah, I'd rather spend $120 on this over a couple $100 on those big box truck tool carts. So anyway, let's go finish this video up. Yeah, that was my top 5 favorite items from Harbor Freight. Why don't you guys put down in the comment section what your top 5 items are that you have from Harbor Freight. This is just some of my favorite ones. Plan on getting some more soon. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.